Now that the microscope is set up for XY configuration, we begin the process of connecting the electronics. This special spliced cable is what must be used anytime the scope is being used in the XY configuration. The standard USB-C cable that connects to this port of the battery is what we recommend anytime that you're not using the XYZ configuration. The two USB-A ports are available for charging the iPads or any other kind of accessories you may have. But for the XY configuration, we'll need to use the round DC port. The battery is connected to the top of the flex arm. The bottom portion of the Y cable goes into the DC port. The connector with the right angle goes into the XY unit. And the straight connector goes into the back of the microscope. If the unit is not turned on, you can turn the light switch on there. And though it's not ideal, this is the way that this battery must be turned on. It's 2 pushes of the button until the word out is displayed. And then you should have light from the scope. This lets you know that you have properly turned on the microscope. You'll then need to remove the XY foot pedal from the case and turn the switch to the right, which is marked as on with a single line versus off for the 0. You'll see a blue light indicating that the unit is on. If the blue light is not on, then the battery has likely died. Simply use the included USB-C cable to recharge the battery. You will see a red LED when the battery is being charged. It will turn green when the battery is fully charged. Once you turn the power on the foot pedal, you do have to wait about 10 seconds for the Bluetooth to make a full connection. But then you should have full authority over the microscope. The 2 silver buttons operate the fine focus Z unit. And for each new case, and also prior to packing the unit, you'll need to push the centering button and make sure that the device returns to the middle position. Then the joystick is used for XY direction. It can be used in a diagonal direction to have both X and Y travel at the same time. And there's a speed control knob on the back of the XY unit. If the speed control is turned too low, it will cause the unit to stop functioning. So if you're using the joystick and it will not respond, then you should turn the speed control up somewhat until you receive full function. Also, there's a centering button for the XY unit. Between cases and before packing the scope, be sure to press the centering button in order to obtain the full use of the microscope.